Hey guys, my name is Jay, and in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to start a clothing brand the right way. So the first thing you're going to want to do is think of a name if you already don't have one. It should be meaningful, original, and stand out among all the other brands in the community. For me, my brand name is Egotistical because a lot of people mistake ego for confidence. And this brand is for people who are confident in their ability and confident in what they do. Now after you get your name situated, the next thing you're going to want to do is start designing. Now there are a lot of paid apps you can use like Illustrator and Photoshop, but there are also some free alternatives like Photopea. Once you're in the software you're choosing, you're going to actually want to make clothes. And it can get kind of difficult and it can get kind of confusing. To help with the confusion, I suggest getting a mockup pack of some sort. Me personally, I use Sieg's mockup pack. It works fine and it does its job, but there are some free alternatives. I'm not sure who else has mockup packs out. You could take a free way and just get the blanks online, but it's nice to have everything in one place. Once you have all your designs and everything, you're going to want to have a store. For me personally, I use Shopify. They have some free trials, but if you don't want to spend money on it, I suggest something like Wix. There are some other alternatives, but those are the two that are most famously known. Once you have that situated, you're going to want to start promoting. You could do this before or after you finish your store, it's just personal preference. The most effective way that's worked for me in growing a brand is TikTok. TikTok is arguably the biggest social media platform out right now, and staying consistent and tweaking the algorithm could blow your brand up in a short amount of time. And that 10 to 15 second video that blows up could give your brand thousands of sales. Everything I talked about up until this point is pretty much the basics and the bare minimum of running a clothing brand. I also forgot to add in manufacturing. I'm not sure why, because this is the biggest part of owning a clothing brand. Now there are three kinds of ways you can get people to buy your clothes with using manufacturers. You could either pre-order, buy bulk and hold the inventory, or print on demand. You could also make the clothes yourself, but I don't recommend that. So pretty much pre-ordering is where you get the site to drop and you get your customers to buy the clothes before they're actually made. You let the store run for about a week or so, then you close it. After the store closes, then you begin production with your manufacturer and you get the amount of clothes you need. With this, you save money because you're not holding on to extra inventory and you only get the amount of clothes that are actually bought. Some cons of running a pre-order is that the wait times for your customers might be very long, and if the manufacturer is being held by some delays, the wait could be even longer, and that really hurts your business and customers won't want to buy from you as much because of the wait times. The second way is buying bulk, which is pretty much you get your manufacturer to make a bunch of clothes, tees, hoodies, long sleeve pants in various colorways and sizes, and then all you really have to do is when people buy it, you ship out their size and colorway. Some cons with this is that you might be holding on to a lot of extra inventory, and if it doesn't go well, then you might be holding on to a lot of product that you want to sell. But a pro is that you already have the clothes by the time the customer buys it, so all you really have to do is just ship it out. The third way is print on demand, which is the most convenient way because the manufacturers don't actually start production until an item is bought, and they only make that product. Depending on the website, they also handle shipping, so you don't really have to ever do anything yourself. All you have to do is just sell the product. Some of the pros is that, as I said, you don't got to deal with any other product, you just have to sell it and they take care of everything like shipping and handling. A con is that the profit margins won't be as you want it to be because you also have to factor in the fact that they're shipping out everything for you and they're also trying to make profit at the same time. So doing something like selling a $20 tee could be possible based on the manufacturer and the print on demand service you go with, but the profit margin won't be as good for you because they're also trying to make profit too. Also at print on demand, I highly doubt that there's a print on demand service that can do extra details like neck tags or cuff tags or embroidery. Some might do embroidery, but some don't. And you can pretty much only design the blanks that are already there. Also, if you want to sell full zips, don't do print on demand because I'm pretty sure there are no print on demand services that do full zips. It is possible to do it at home as well, but it does require a large upfront investment. But with that being said, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy what I had to say, and comment down below if you have any criticism or anything that you would like to know for the next video. Also, don't forget to check out my brand's TikTok and Instagram, link in the description.